All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Here's another screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra from Whitestone Dome. This is their UV film version, so I'm going to show you what this looks like in here. This should be the one where it's kind of like not plastic, but it's not glass. And this is a 2-pack. There we go. So you got some protectors here since it's a 2-pack, a cleaner's kit. Here are the films right here. And then here's the insulation for it. So you take this out here. This is the UV light that it uses right here. So it tells you right here, 1 press is 15 seconds, 2 presses is 60 seconds, and there's the Type-C. And you'll need to provide your own Type-C cable here. So then when you have this right here, this goes in the bottom of the device like that, and then the film will go on top of it. So I'll just sit it here on top of this one just for, you know, general purposes. And we'll crack the film open here. Now currently this is the privacy glass on there, but this is what the UV Gen film looks like. This is what it looks like. So let's put this aside. It goes on just like this, and then you start in the middle and press, and then you just remove. So first, and then you use the UV light to seal it onto the device. So first I'm gonna go ahead and remove this privacy glass, and the privacy glass works fine. As I say that, I can't open the, I tell you, trolling me. Nonetheless, the privacy glass does work fine, folks. Trust me when I tell you. But we're gonna peel this off here. Again, this is Whitestone Dome's privacy glass. And we'll put it here. And then we'll go ahead and put this aside, and then we'll go ahead and clean the phone. Even though the phone is pretty much clean already, I won't wet it or anything. I'll just take the dust removal tool to it, the dust removal sticker, and I'll do this with it. Because it's really clean already. Because I put that glass on brand new. So it's fine. Let's make sure it's good on here. Then we're gonna put this, we're gonna remove this portion here, right here. We're gonna remove this. There you go. We're gonna safely put this down on here. It's really easy because you just line it with the tool. With this, put it inside the hole here. I'm saying easy, but then I'm kind of struggling with it a little bit. Anytime you're doing something on camera, it's always a struggle. It always trolls you. It can never go smooth. Now, you can use this right here to kind of help center it, but you also can use it. It's going to take up dust too when you do this and when you peel it off. So you can start in the center here, and then you lift it up, and then you press, and it goes off, and then you lift this here on this side, and then you can pull this out and save that because you'll need that later. And then same thing on this side, you lift up, make sure it's all the way forward, then you push, and then it goes off. And then, you give it a nice little once over, make sure it's down perfectly fine. And then you can use the UV light here to put it on. I'm going to peel this off, and let me get a Type-C cable. All right, guys. So after you get the screen protector on, you can do 15 on the edge is what I did, 15 on the bottom, and I'm doing 60 in the center, and then I'll do 60 and 60. I didn't want to bore you with all of the time waiting or something like that, so I decided to just go ahead and get started. And the glass is on there. It's looking pretty good. It seals up. So I'm doing 60 in the middle now, and then we'll be all done. So once the light turns off, I'll turn the phone back on, and you'll see, I'll check the fingerprint reader, which it should work. With the, it's funny that, I was using the privacy glass, and the privacy glass worked, but when I wanted to use it on video, it trolled me and didn't work. So that's typically how it goes when I'm trying to show something to you guys. It always trolls me. So let's get this out of the way. And now, well, it already opened up. But here we go. Get out of here. But it already used my facial recognition. But let's use the finger. I might need to set my finger up again because it's been trolling me like this. I set it up with the privacy glass. I don't know why it's doing that. Let me unlock the phone real quick. It keeps doing it with there. But I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set up the phone again, put another finger in there while we're on the phone. So hold on a second. As you can see, I already have 2 fingers in there. I don't know why it's not doing it, but let's just do it again. With the screen protector on here. Now, the first time I set it up, I did it with the privacy glass on here, and it worked, but then all of a sudden it just wouldn't work anymore. So I was like, let's move on and let's put this on now, because I've showed you the privacy glass on the initial install, but this should be fine. And let's just hit done here. Now we're gonna lock it. There we go. So I'll go ahead and delete those other 2 fingers, and I'll go ahead and add this other finger back on, because clearly the privacy glass, for some reason, it just didn't register them good enough. But this type of protector is just a thin sheet of plastic that's upgraded for protection and like that. So I'm going to show you more of them. And so now when I get in here and turn it off, back on, it's working perfectly fine. So I just need to register my fingers again. So I suggest you register your fingers again when you add this screen protector or any screen protector. And then also you could turn on the enhanced for the screen protector. Is the touch sensitivity. You should do that too. When you're doing it. So, but nonetheless, the phone is working fine. The screen protector is really nice, and it is on there. So no bubbles or anything. Went on easy. The UV light helped it out pretty good. I understand this phone already has an anti-reflective on here, but I like to put a screen protector on here anyway, just because of another layer, to have another layer of protection. That's just me. But here it is, the Whitestone Dome UV Gen film. It is installed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.